If you are over 60 and you think your daily walk is enough to keep you healthy, independent, and out of a nursing home, I have some news you might not like. You are falling into the walking trap. Don't get me wrong. Walking is great for your heart and your mood. But as a specialist-endorsed strategy for aging, it is incomplete. In fact, relying only on walking can actually mask the very muscle loss that leads to falls and loss of mobility. Walking is a linear, repetitive motion. It doesn't build the explosive power you need to catch yourself if you trip. It doesn't stop 67 muscle loss after 60. And it doesn't protect your bone density where you need it most. Today, I'm showing you the 3 functional power exercises that specialists now say are more important than walking. If you do these 3 things just twice a week, you aren't just staying active, you are literally anti-aging your body. Here is the hard science. After age 60, your body enters a phase called 69 sarcopenia. This is the natural but aggressive loss of muscle tissue. Walking primarily uses your type 1 slow-twitch muscle fibers. These are great for endurance. But the fibers we lose fastest as we age are the type 2 fast-twitch fibers. These are your emergency muscles. They are the muscles that help you stand up from a low chair, climb a steep flight of stairs, or react quickly when a car pulls out in front of you. Walking does almost nothing to maintain these type 2 fibers. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who only did aerobic exercise like walking still lost significant muscle mass in their legs compared to those who did resistance training. If you want to stay independent until you're 90, you need to stop just moving and start loading. The first exercise you must do instead of just walking is the power rise. Most people call this a squat, but for us, it is the independence move. Think about it. Every single day you have to get out of bed, get off the toilet, and get out of your car. That is a squat. If you can't do this move with power, you lose your freedom. The specialist fix. Stand in front of a firm chair. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly lower your hips toward the chair for a count of 3. Just before your glutes touch the seat, stop. Hover for 1 second. Then drive through your heels and stand up as fast as you safely can. That fast stand-up is what recruits those fast-twitch fibers I mentioned earlier. This builds the leg power that walking simply cannot provide. The second move addresses a massive weakness in seniors: upper body and core stability. When you walk, your upper body is essentially a passenger. It's just along for the ride. But specialists know that a weak upper body leads to poor posture, which shifts your center of gravity forward and makes you a fall risk. We need to remind your bones and muscles that they need to support weight. The specialist fix. The wall push-up. Stand 2 feet away from a wall. Place your hands flat on the wall at shoulder height. Lower your chest toward the wall slowly, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Then push back firmly. This isn't just for your chest. This engages your entire core and puts healthy stress on your wrist and arm bones, which is critical for preventing osteoporosis. Walking won't save your wrists if you fall, but strong bones from the gravity push might. The third and most important exercise is the statue stance. Walking is a repetitive motion that your brain eventually does on autopilot. But viral research shows that the #1 reason for hospitalizations in seniors isn't heart disease, it's falls. And falls happen when your balance GPS stops working. This GPS is called proprioception. It's your brain's ability to know where your feet are without looking at them. The specialist fix. Stand near a kitchen counter for safety. Lift 1 foot just 2 inches off the ground. Try to hold this for 30 seconds. Now, here is the specialist twist. Once you can do 30 seconds easily, try doing it while moving your head slowly from left to right. This forces your brain to stop relying on your eyes and start relying on the nerves in your ankles and hips. This is the ultimate anti-fall training. Walking in a straight line doesn't train your brain for a slip on a wet floor. The statue stance does. I am not telling you to never walk again. Walking is wonderful for your mental health, but I am telling you to prioritize these 3 moves. Here is your 30-day plan. Keep walking for pleasure, but Tuesday and Thursday are now your power days. Spend 10 minutes doing 3 sets of the power rise, 3 sets of the gravity push, and 2 minutes of the statue stance. That is it. In just 4 weeks, you will notice that getting out of your car is easier. You'll notice your posture is taller, and you'll feel a sturdiness in your legs that walking alone hasn't given you in years. Aging is a natural process, but becoming frail is often a choice. Your body is incredibly resilient. It just needs the right signal. Give it that signal today. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. It tells the algorithm to show this to more 55 Walking for Seniors, over 60 searchers who need to hear the truth. Subscribe to Age-Wise Fitness for more that keep you strong and independent. Start your power rise today, and I'll see you in the next video.